What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Please ignore the background. I have been filming non-stop. Well, this mess is from last night, but I have more filming to do today. Plus, I want to take pictures for Instagram. So I thought it would be kind of fun to do a little like get ready with me to take pictures. I need like, what do I need? Maybe like 4 or 5 like solid good pictures. So that's the task at hand. I figured, like I said, I would just do a little get ready with me. So let's do it. All right, I'm gonna start with my fave, the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. So I'm gonna go in with this Missha Perfect Cover BB cream. This is like one of my all-time favorite BB creams. It's just so like moisturizing, but still has really good coverage. I get mine in the shade 23. I will say that this has a slight gray like tinge to it when you pump it out, but when I like blend it in, it looks fine. So I'm using this. I get this on Amazon and it's the freaking best. I just love it. It's just so easy. And it's thick as you can see, but it spreads and blends in like a dream. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. Concealer time, and I'm using my tried and true Maybelline Fit Me. I freaking love this stuff. Even when I try to get new concealers, I always go back to this stuff because it is so good. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. I'm gonna set all of that with my Laura Mercier setting powder. This is the translucent setting powder, and it is my all-time favorite. Like everything else creases on me. Not this stuff. Baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. For bronzer, I'm going in with the Sephora bronzer in the color 3. It's called Los Cabos. And it is kind of a cooler tone, so it's better for contouring, but we're just gonna go with it. I feel like when I get ready for filming or taking pictures, a lot of the time, especially now since nobody's going anywhere, a lot of the times I'm just getting ready to take pictures and film. So I feel like a lot of the times I just take a shower or something right after or wash my face. So I'm not really too particular about like, oh, using really good products. Half the time I don't even prime. I'm surprised actually I primed today, but I just feel like what's the point if it's just coming off right after. But hoping to get a lot of pictures, and I don't know how long it's gonna take, so maybe that's why I primed, I don't know. For blush, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild blush in the color Nudist Society. It is so freaking pretty. Just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time. Also, I've noticed like I almost have to have a much heavier hand when applying makeup for pictures or film or video. I don't know why I said film, because I feel like the camera doesn't really like pick it up. So if I look a little crazy, that is why. Eyebrows, I am sticking with the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in the color Taupe. Love this stuff. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. All right, then we are going in with eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this Ofra eyeshadow palette. This is the Mini Mix palette, Good to Go, and it has like a bunch of different shades on here. There's actually a good mix of eyeshadows, a bronzer, a blush, and then a huge highlight. And it's one of those like multicolored highlights, so you can either swirl a big brush or use a small brush, and you can use it as eyeshadow, so I love that. Ofra did gift this palette to me, so I'm very thankful for that. Thank you to Ofra. And they also offered a coupon code for you guys, which is Ofra20, and that'll save you some coin. So I think I'm gonna do the same eyeshadow look I did yesterday because it was beautiful, which I took this bronzer shade on a fluffy brush and ran it through my crease. So this is what the crease color looks like, and I will of course blend it out a little bit more in a bit. But the next thing I'm going to do is take a pointed, or not pointed, an angled brush, and I'm gonna go in from a different palette and go in with like a super dark brown. And I'm going to line my upper lash line and kind of wing it out a little bit. Alright, now that I have the eyeliner, I'm going back into this palette and I'm taking this super pretty like bronzy color, and I'm going to take that actually on my finger and I'm going to pat that all over the lid. And honestly, I'm going to kind of go over that eyeliner a little bit so it'll be covered up just a little bit. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than be. And then I'm going to go in with part of this highlight. I'm going to go in with this, like, it's like a light gold, like champagne color. I'm actually going to go in with a smaller brush and I'm going to go into the inner corner of my eye. I'm going back in with that bronzer color and just running a little bit more through the crease. I'm gonna take this spoolie with nothing on it and just run it through my lashes. All right, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Mega Length mascara, and this is in waterproof. I always use waterproof on my bottom lashes, and I'm gonna run that through my lashes. So much better. All right, I'm also going in with that same highlight. I might take this and a little bit of the even lighter one and go right here on my Cupid's bow. I love the way that looks. Maybe a teeny bit on my nose. And then I'm gonna go in, I'm just gonna like kind of tap it in all the colors and go a little bit. This is the most pigmented freaking highlight. Ofra highlighters are like blinding. They're so pretty. So that is that. Last step, lips. One of my favorite lip liners in the world. I got it in BoxyCharm. It's the Ace Beauté liner in Be Peachy. And it's like, honestly, like a brown color. I don't know why that's the name of it, but. So I pretty much always just use lip liner and then I fill in my whole lip, but I'm gonna top it with a little bit of this ColourPop lip oil just to add a little moisture. I'm just going in with some face powder. This is just the No. 7 face powder. Just honestly, any face powder will do. And I'm gonna run that right under my brow bone and into that darker like bronze shade. Or bronzer shade, I should say. Just to kind of blend everything out and lighten up my brow bone. All right, this is the final makeup look. I'm gonna go blow dry my hair, probably throw a few curls in it, and then I'll meet you back here. All right, you guys, so I decided to straighten my hair instead of curl it. As you can see, I feel like I curl my hair all the time. Why not do something different? I am just going to my mom's. I'm gonna try to get pictures in the backyard. So I just threw on this little like half zip fleece hoodie, and then I'm wearing PJ pants. I'm gonna probably throw on some Crocs or something. I have my little Bluetooth remote, my phone tripod, and I'm gonna go get some good pictures. Hopefully I have my box of clothes that I need to shoot right there. And that is it. If you guys do want to see a video of like exactly how I take my pictures, let me know, leave me a comment down below. This video is kind of short, but I thought it still might be fun to film, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!